Hi guys, KP this side. Hope all of you are doing good. A lot of you have been asking me to make a quick video on how I see markets opening tomorrow and what actions you are supposed to take. Uh, the thing is, Nifty was 350 odd points down on Friday. Dow Jones surprisingly was down by around 2200 points. I have never seen that scary fall in the market in last uh, many months, I would say. Nasdaq was also down around 1000 points. Both Dow Jones and Nasdaq were around 5% down yesterday. That is on Friday. Gift Nifty is showing around 800 odd points down. So I don't know if you would listen to my suggestions on this one, but agar kal market, I don't think it will open down by around 500 800 odd points, but maybe you would see Nifty being down by around 500 600 points at max, I am saying. If that happens, my suggestion is you should try to buy onto the good stocks. If possible, you can definitely take a trade on Nifty, a long position on Nifty. The thing is, why this fall has happened on Friday, for one big reason, uh, Trump has announced a universal import duty on all the imports of 10%, and at the same time they will reciprocate by imposing taxes on countries which apply import duties. They will reciprocate by imposing duties on goods from such countries, which covers at least 90 countries. Second reason being, China has retaliated to the US tariffs by planning to impose 30 odd percent, I think it is 34% duty on goods being imported from US. It was given, right? If US is going to impose duties on imports from different countries, then countries like China, Canada, they are also going to impose duties on imports from US. Is this wise on part of US? No, not at all. But this buzz has been going on in the market for last 1.5 months. A lot of havoc has been created by Trump, because of which the US markets are also suffering, not just the global markets. US market Dow Jones high was around 45,000, which has now come down to 38,000 levels. So there is a fall of almost 7,000 points in Dow Jones. मेरे को लगता है कल सुबह अगर मार्केट नीचे खुलेगा, आप पक्का बाय करिए, पक्का बाय. आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड opportunity for you to make some quick returns. पैसे नहीं हैं तो obviously the irony is, in such falls we don't have a lot of money left, because we have already put a lot of money in the markets. But if you have funds, guys, definitely buy on to the stocks which are fundamentally good. This is your opportunity. Since the other markets have already suffered, so US markets were bound to fall, but US markets falling is giving an opportunity for you to buy into the Indian stocks. It's not like if US markets are falling from here, then again Indian markets will fall more. I don't think so. अगर एक फॉल कल मिलता है, एक नी जर्क रिएक्शन आता है because of US markets falling badly on Friday, I think that will only be an opportunity to buy, because this is only going to get normalized over a period of time. And as I told you, this guy is impulsive in his decision making, and with passage of time he will roll back on certain policies, because this is only going to backfire on US. Because now a lot of experts are talking about US going into stagflation, because if you see, if import duties are being increased continuously, the US consumption is only going to go down, and 70% of US GDP comes from consumption. And if there is inflation in the economy because of a lot of import duties being imposed, if their consumption goes down, then their economy will go into a slowdown. So slowdown accompanied with inflation is a situation of stagflation. And if for 2 quarters their GDP numbers are going down, then the economy may even enter into recession. But that is only going to be momentary, I feel, because this is self-inflicted. This is not natural. So I feel this is only going to recover from here. But for the time being, based on what worthless and useless formulation of policies this guy is doing, because he wants to promote local industry. His argument is that whatever he's doing, it is for benefiting his own industry, their own manufacturing, and it will boost their employment. But seems right now The markets are not liking it. Moreover, more than 50% population of US is not approving the policies that are being implemented by Mr. Trump. So scary situation, definitely it is, but I see a lot of opportunities over here, because this is only going to be momentary, and this pessimism in the market is not going to sustain. ज़बरदस्ती का बुलिश नहीं हूँ मार्केट्स के ऊपर, लॉजिक लगाता हूँ अपना, एंड आई वुड स्टिल से कल सुबह अगर मार्केट में 500-600 पॉइंट का फॉल मिले, आंख बंद करके निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी खरीदिए गाइस, आंख बंद करके. यू कैन ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट. एंड फॉर द गुड स्टॉक्स देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ गुड बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. Definitely consider buying into some good stocks. Okay, chalo, making this video very late because I am on a family trip right now, and I am in Turkey right now. So here it is 9 o'clock right now. I know in India it's 11:30. I hope you see this video before tomorrow morning, and if you get an opportunity, if you have some funds, FDs तोड़िए, savings तोड़िए, borrow मत करिएगा, but definitely consider buying, especially the index. It is very, very safe right now. I hope this you find this video useful, and a lot of requests have been coming in that please make one video, short video. So this is the video. I'm not trying to artificially create positivity in this environment. I am very positive about the markets. This fall is not bothering me at all, so it should not bother you as well. Chalo guys, cheers, bye bye, God bless all of you, and stay bullish. Thank you.